7厘米，也就是说7公分的高度。趁这棵树还没有壮大，能挪开。它这个宽度48的坡道哦，能不能弄这个婴儿车？
Meet the tape measure bro. He's a local in Shenzhen, southern China. Every day, he walks the streets, he spots problems, he films it, he posts it, and then magically, the city fixes it. Fast. People joke that, is there an official watching his account? Nope. What's really watching is Shenzhen's smart city system. The city now uses tech to find problems before people can file a complaint. It scans 40 major online platforms. Last year alone, 170,000 issues were fixed. So yeah, one man with his tape measure and a city that actually listens.
This is CGTN Radio. Hear the difference.